You want to climb on top? See what we can see? Oh my goodness, look at it. Look at it. You can fit, man? Oh, Dad can't fit. Cool. I think this is one of the neatest places we've ever hiked, isn't it?
Yeah.
There and lay down and see if it's flat and comfortable. It's pretty soft but dry. First things first, I think we need to get a bunch of firewood.
Why did you bring rope?
All right. Nathan had a little accident. He slipped on the ice and cut his hand a little bit. Put your hand out like that. Oh. Now let's go warm it up by the fire, okay? You feeling better, bud?
Yeah.